Good morning, guys. We wake up and it's a white Sunday. You know, a lot of snow coming down. So here what, guys? Let's go put on the plow on the truck, and I'll show you guys that process. It's gonna be probably a long video where I change where I go to houses and clean the snow off the ground and all my commercial properties and stuff. So stick around for that, guys. I'll say right now I probably have a centimeter snow on the ground. Not so much yet, but it's supposed to continue all day. We probably get like 5, 6. Look at that truck over there, like it's like sliding just a moment ago. Well, you know, let's stick around for the rest of the video. Let me show you the flow. Let's go in it. So as you can see, the foot track here, not too much, and then we got the floor right here that we need to adjust on the truck. So let me set up this, show you guys what's going on, and then we go from there, okay? Let me know how you guys doing today. If you guys are, everything is okay with you guys. You guys are having a good year, a good week, good month. Just let me know how it's going with you guys, okay? Okay, I'm gonna set up the phone so you guys can see me put on the plow. It's kind of tricky because it's wet, so I have to go do some little adjustment with some things to just make it work. So watch out for that, guys. Okay, guys. So now I have the plow drive up. The truck drive up onto the plow. All you have to do is release the safety stuff, right? Release the safety stuff, and you click it over, right? Make sure this is not touching your truck, so you can pull back just a bit. But my distance is okay, so let's go to the next side now, guys. Let's go to the next side. Be careful, it's the same thing. You pull the safety pin, right? Left. Lock it. That's safe on the truck right now, right there. So I'm gonna set it up, guys. Let you guys see how it raised and everything. Or next you need to connect your cables and stuff, lights and the plow control and everything. So let me just get that spot to set up this, and then you guys can see the floor raising and everything. Okay. So I have these stuff so I don't push it and hit the house, guys, as you know. I don't want to damage yours, so yeah, just watch this part, guys, how the plow go up and down, basically. Yes, guys, right about now, connect up the wire them, guys, and then I'm gonna go in and show you guys how the plow elevate up and down, guys. So watch out for this. I'm not really dressed for like winter weather, still in my bad night Jordan kicks, but I don't know, I'm not really going out now. So I have a nice jacket, but I mean, I see no pants and probably I see no shoes. But right now, not focus on that right now, guys. I'm going to test the light and test the flow and everything, guys. So, that's what it's done. Okay, so now we know everything is working with the plow properly. So we're good now to turn off the truck and turn off the light and everything. Are we ready? Whenever it's finished, to know to go out and work, guys. So right now, just stick around. We did all the safety procedures and stuff. I'm just gonna check some stuff under the bottom back, make sure everything is okay before I go outside. So stick around.
hit them police boy up on the road. How can I drive in India, man?
No, man, you know you're deep on the street, so
You can't go over, so. I saw somebody come out of our place. Hey, police boy. What you know? Yeah, risky. Risky. You think you're worth it? G, you're up on. Yeah, up on the running, boy. Not much out there, boy. Because they are going and hold it, you know? You see, police boy, the car while out in the road. The place that I get cold. Cold. Supporting the channel, appreciate you guys always. So thank you for watching. Watch out for the clean up right to these driveways. There's a lot of snow, probably like maybe like not that much, maybe like I say about like 5 centimeters. So it's not that bad, but very slippery because it's rain after, so it get very wet. So yes guys, so just watch out for this guys. I'll take care of these driveways.